Hello, my name is Paul Priestley. Welcome to Paul Priestley Art, the home of art tutorials for beginners and for those who have developed their art a little further. Now today this is going to be the second of my tutorials on drawing with pencils and graphite. Yes, pencils and graphite. And we're going to be using some of the techniques I showed you in the last video to draw something very simple, natural object, an onion. Yes, that's what we're going to do. So we're going to make a start. So let's get started. Come on.
So we're going to use a 4B pencil and a 6B piece of graphite, but I'm going to break it into a section, as you can see here, and just use that. Okay, we'll put this graphite away. If you want to see what the graphite is, look in the description below. Now, we're going to draw the onion. This is the onion. I'm not going to draw it in detail. I'm not going to make a photographic representation. We're just going to create the essence of it by using the edge of my graphite. So here we go. We're going to twist my fingers, press on quite hard, and we're going to create a really interesting line. You can see here, this is the sort of thing we're going to do. So we're going to keep doing this, keep producing these lines coming up, because you can see all those lines that go around the skin of the onion. So I'm going to keep doing that. And as we do that, I'm twisting each time, pressing and twisting, get this lovely effect. And you'll notice that as I do this, the lines are getting straighter and straighter until we get to the middle part of the onion, and then we start curving the other way. This will create the round effect that we're getting with our onion. Now you can see the lovely effect that we're beginning to get with the graphite. Twist. You see how we've done that little bit at the top there, twisting it. Looks very good indeed. Okay, we'll just add a few more around the edge, just strengthen that edge up a little bit like that. So we've got basic onion here. Now to do the bottom part, we're going to again press on hard, twist and flick round with my fingers. You see how I'm twisting my fingers, okay? And then we're just going to flick away to create the little roots at the bottom. We'll come back and do some more to this later on. Okay, we're just going to take just a couple more lines up here just to suggest the shadow. I'm not going into detail with this. This is not meant to be a photographic representation of this onion. It's merely meant to be a sketch of an onion so that we can look at this and see that it is, in fact, an onion. And that's all we need to do for this one. It's just a very simple way of sketching out the idea, just by using those lines and making sure those lines follow the form of the object. See how rounded they're getting, but keep working on the edge. Now you'll notice a little bit more detail has suddenly appeared. That's because I forgot to turn the camera on. So I'm just going to go back over these details in pencil to show you what I did. So I'm pressing on now with my pencil, adding the little details. These are the details that are just going to add a little essence to my drawing. I don't want to put too much in because we're almost there anyway. I just want to add a few little faint lines just to contrast with those very dark, strong lines that we've already got there to create the essence of the onion, because it's the variety of marks that you make that make your drawing look interesting. You see? So that you create an individual drawing. Remember what we did in the last video? Twist, flick, twist, flick, twist, flick. Makes the line look so much more interesting. That's what we want to do. Twist and flick. So just darken a few of these little areas just at the top here, just to suggest some of the little areas that have been that have died off at the top of the onion. There we go. Just a few little lines down the side as well. There we are. That's good. Okay. Now, once we've done this, we're going to go back to using the graphite just to put in a little bit of shadow at the bottom there. Okay, so just grab the graphite. Again, I'm using the edge, but this time I'm going to press much more on the front edge rather than the back edge. So I create a sharp edge on one side and a dark edge and a lighter edge on the other side. You see what I've done there? So it just creates that nice sharp edge to push against the object. You see? Nice, strong, dark. That's what we're looking for. Just finished the shading off now with my graphite, as you can see. Just a few little touches here and there, and we're just about finished. Okay, now the idea was not to create a photographic representation. This is just a basic drawing. Check out my other videos if you wish to see how to draw things in detail.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learnt a little bit more about using pencil and graphite. If you have, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the little black bell, because that will keep us in contact. You'll find out when the next videos are coming out. If you'd like to support the making of these videos, and that will be much appreciated, then please check out my Patreon channel, where you can find lots of interesting rewards in return for your patronage. That would be wonderful. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!